So, updated here slightly. You can see, what is that? Gematria, multiplication, and simple addition. So, don't put the cart before the horse, but do, because 0 equals 100, right? And 22 over 7 equals the distance of the particles, because there's harmonic to the observer, as the observer is absolute distance inherently. 1, 2, 3, the pineal. See Descartes for the not necessarily metaphysical, at so far as that foundational assumption of physiology necessarily, insofar as the physics reflects the math of the soul, we'll say. And so looking in, we'll see the distance. And we pass through multiplication, gematria. It's a fluid dynamic kind of spherical lens, that you're looking through generalistically. And so far as overtonal, banding, you can see 3 compressed equals 0, equals expanded 5 plus 7 plus 1 equals 13, equals 1 plus 3, gematria. And fractal vortex, 4 equals 1 plus 3, right? Very basically. But does 4 equal 36? Think overtonally now, right? Base 10 here. So 9 equals 0, 9 expanded equals 0, and 0 equals 100, as we know. We've already established that within the construct of the relevance of this lattice framework of language. And continuing the motion in 2, well, you can see, and then overlaid here, 13. Alright, this will be punched up with full elaborative language, motioning into it kind of fluidly, more better, so you can see. But yeah, just listen to the language motion into this, and you'll understand exactly what it is. It's just, think about a sphere accordion, a sphere, then an accordion. Your vantage sees the distance, because it is harmonically synchronous with 22 over 7 generalistically in fluid dynamic mean patterning, as it's part of. See past light at the molecular level, the outer manifold inherently. Regardless of our ability to elaborate necessarily on language or math right now, we can say that is the case necessarily, so far as now, and why the harmonic is, as such so much it is, and describes in back forth logic here over the line of event horizon, which equals the distance of particulate disapparition recrystallization generalistically, and such so much a lens experience in the particle, literally harmonically, this construct generalistically fluid dynamic lattice overlay through this aperture, and then through this complexified generalistic short form moment to moment geometry that, of course, and then this breaks down as, the 22 over 7 is observer, right? And so linguistics, gematria, it's numerical gematria, but then at some point look at languages that have patterning inherently, and time as it is history, memory talk regarding that, and float all that back and forth. And I'm going to keep cycling up and condensing the talk, with, you know, the black hole as, a fulcrum of fluid allegorical reference. Unfortunately or fortunately, insofar as culture or whatever.